What if you could create a personalized, easy-to-use experience for both recruiters and candidates with a recruiting tool built right into your human capital management solution? Our recruitment solution combines powerful automation with AI-driven features to help you manage the entire hiring process, from creating and posting job requisitions to engaging with potential employees. It helps you attract, evaluate, and hire top talent faster while delivering a great experience for everyone involved. And this isn't just about filling jobs faster. It's about giving you visibility into the entire talent acquisition process and the insights to make more confident, data-informed hiring decisions. Let's get started by taking a look at your applicant's experience. Here we have an example of our career landing page. And with the talent acquisition module, you can post career opportunities directly onto your company website, Indeed, or other leading job boards, all from a single centralized platform. And your career landing page can be fully branded with your logo, color scheme, and messaging to reflect your organization's identity. This ensures a consistent candidate experience from the first click through application submission. And applicants can use these search filters here across the top of the page to narrow down their job search and explore roles that align with their skills and interests. And each posting below will display a high-level summary, location details, and access to the full job description. By selecting a position, candidates can instantly view where this role is located by using the interactive map feature, or they can see if it's designated as a remote opportunity. This gives candidates valuable insight into the job's location and surrounding area, helping them visualize commute times or regional context before applying. Now, depending on how you've configured this job requisition, the candidate may encounter a quick apply option or the full application process. The quick apply option is typically used for high volume or entry-level roles where employers might want to minimize the time it takes for candidates to complete an application. It will collect only the essential details like name, contact information, and the resume upload to get qualified applicants into the system faster. So this configuration helps improve conversion rates and keeps the process mobile-friendly, reducing the risk of strong candidates abandoning the application midway through. Now, for roles that require a more detailed evaluation, you can instead configure a full application process, allowing you to gather additional information such as experience, education, and screening questions for a more comprehensive candidate assessment. So once the candidate begins their full application process, they can either upload their resume or they can manually enter in their information directly onto this form. By uploading their resume, the system automatically extracts and populates their personal information, their work history, and education into the application fields, saving time and reducing manual data entry. Candidates can then review the pre-filled details and make edits as needed and continue completing any additional sections required by the employer. Now, as we take a look at this application, keep in mind that it is completely customizable, allowing you to determine what information you want to collect from your candidates, and you can mark certain fields as required. You can create custom fields to capture additional details, and you can tailor the process to fit your organization's unique needs. And as part of that customization, candidates may also be prompted to complete the Work Opportunity Tax Credit Survey. So this short optional survey helps identify potential eligibility for federal tax credits, supporting diversity hiring initiatives while benefiting your organization financially. Now, these survey responses are securely transmitted to Hire Credit, ensuring seamless integration and allowing you to manage your WOTC reporting without manual intervention. Now, as a last step, you can also include qualifying questionnaires within the application to help screen candidates based on key skills or requirements. These automated questionnaires provide additional insight and help recruiters quickly identify which applicants may be the best fit for each position. And once the candidate has completed their application, they can then submit it to the hiring manager for review. So once they have signed off on their application, there is a fun "Thank you for applying" message that will display. Applicants can then access their personalized portal, which serves as their central hub throughout the hiring process. So from here, they can easily view which applications they've already submitted and track their progress in real time. And as candidates move through the evaluation process, this portal also notifies them of any pending tasks that need their attention, such as completing additional screenings, authorizing a background check, or signing an offer letter. These notifications can be delivered through multiple channels, including email or text messages, and all pending actions are clearly displayed within their portal. So right from this screen, candidates can then complete forms, review documents, or take any required actions, ensuring that they stay engaged and informed every step of the way. Additionally, candidates have the opportunity to provide more details about their skills or areas of interest, which will assist in matching them with the most suitable job. And finally, candidates can also easily search for and apply for additional jobs from within this portal. So as you can see, candidates will have a smooth, transparent experience that helps improve engagement and reduce drop-off throughout the hiring journey. So now let's shift perspectives and see how you can manage those applicants from the recruiter's side. The recruitment dashboard gives you a complete view of your hiring pipeline all in one central location. From creating and posting job requisitions, to reviewing applicants, scheduling interviews, and communicating with candidates and extending offer letters, everything you need is right here. You can also easily keep track of key metrics like time to hire reporting and candidate volume. And right from this dashboard, you can quickly search for skills or qualifications to help identify top talent. And built-in reports and visual insights will make it simpler to monitor progress and manage recruiting activity efficiently. And then when combined with other workforce analytics, you can start connecting hiring trends to outcomes like retention, productivity, and overall planning. Right from this view, you can quickly see how many job requisitions are currently open, how many candidates have applied, and where those candidates fall within the hiring process. And now that we've seen how the recruitment dashboard gives you a complete view of your hiring activity, let's take a closer look at one of our open positions. So in this example, let's take a look at the supervisor position so that we can see how easy it is to manage a job requisition right from here. Now this brings us to our recruitment workspace, which optimizes the way that you will manage the entire recruitment process, from creating job requisitions to evaluating candidates. So this is where you would go to set up a new job requisition, review details, and take action using our Quick Actions menu for easier management. And this is also where you'll see the power of Bright Job Genius. Bright uses built-in AI assistants to help you quickly create high-quality, inclusive job descriptions that attract the right talent. So Bright will help you align the skills that you are hiring for today with workforce capabilities that your organization will need in the future. So with just a few details like the job title, the department, and key responsibilities, Bright can generate a polished professional job description in seconds. And from there, you can easily review, personalize, and finalize it before posting it onto your career site or job boards. Now, before publishing the open position, you can use this preview button to see exactly how that job requisition will appear to your candidates. So this will help ensure that posting reflects your organization's brand and tone. Once everything looks good, you can publish the job directly to your company website, Indeed, or other integrated job board options with just a few clicks. So eQuest Blast Network lets you post to top job boards, search engines, and career sites, while eQuest Premium allows you to leverage existing partnerships with premium level job boards like LinkedIn, Monster, or Career Builder. And when you are ready to post, you can choose your job board and then select your posting dates before submitting this to be automatically posted to your respective job boards. Now, if you don't currently have a relationship with one of these major job boards, then you can also access eQuest Express, which allows you to post to these job boards a la carte. These posting options will give you flexibility to reach candidates wherever they are searching, saving time while maximizing visibility for every open role. So once a job is posted and applications begin coming in, you will have instant access to them directly within this workspace. This is also where Bright Job Genius can provide additional value by helping managers generate custom interview questions that are tied directly to this job description. So these questions will support structured, consistent interviews that lead to better hiring decisions. So just like that, Bright has instantly provided a proposed set of interview questions. And you can also adjust these questions based on how long your interview is going to be or the topics that you want to focus on during your conversation. So now that your job posting is live and the applicants are coming in, let's take a look at how easily you can track, evaluate, and manage your candidates throughout the hiring process. So here at the top of the screen, you'll have clear visibility into how long this job has been open and how many candidates have applied. And from here, you can also add any new applicants manually if needed. And when it's time to evaluate your candidates, you can simply click on this Applications tab across the top of the screen to view everyone who's applied for this position. And using the quick filters here on the left, you can easily filter this list by new candidates or internal candidates. You can also filter by hiring stage to focus on candidates who are in a particular step of the hiring process, such as those who are ready for an interview or are awaiting feedback. So perhaps we are preparing for an upcoming interview and need to evaluate the candidates who are moving on to the interview stage of the hiring process. So using the hiring stages filter, we can then get visibility into the candidates who are currently in the interview stage. Now let's open up a candidate profile and walk through how you can manage the applicant tracking process. So here you can move candidates through the defined hiring stages from the time the application was submitted all the way through the hiring process. And as candidates progress, automated emails can be sent out to keep them informed of where they stand within the process. Now, as you are preparing for this upcoming interview, you may want to check out the candidate's resume. So here you'll have instant access to that resume as you are going through the evaluation process. All of the information that's captured from the candidate will flow seamlessly into the applicant tracking system, making it easier to evaluate their experience, credentials, and qualifications. You can also schedule and manage interviews directly from here. And when communicating with candidates, you can draft an email on the fly or select from our predetermined email templates. So here you can see an example of an email template that can be sent out to all candidates that are moving forward in the process, helping you maintain consistency and professionalism. Now, if you prefer, you can communicate through two-way text messaging to keep candidates engaged and responsive. You can also include an interview invitation directly within your communication, helping you and the candidate both stay organized. And when it comes to facilitating interviews, you can also add an evaluation questionnaire to standardize feedback and ensure alignment across interviews. Essentially, this allows you to include preset screening questions so interviewers can capture structured, consistent feedback. Once you have selected your preferred candidate, you can generate an offer letter that can be sent directly to them for electronic signature. Once a candidate has accepted the offer, you can then initiate their background screening. HireRight makes it simple to launch background checks without leaving the platform, and the results automatically update for real-time visibility. And when you're ready to move forward, simply hit Hire. And the system automatically carries the candidate's information into their new hire employee record. And then based on the position that they are being hired into, their record will be populated with the appropriate profiles and settings, streamlining the process for your administrators. As part of this hiring process, you can also verify the employee's Social Security number through the Social Security Administration's database. And you can enter in the employee's base compensation before completing the hiring process. And then once a new employee is hired, the system automatically initiates the onboarding process for a smooth transition into your organization. So from connecting with top talent to making the final hiring decision, every part of the recruiting journey is streamlined in one connected workspace, helping you move faster, stay organized, and deliver an exceptional candidate experience.